Let it go. Let go! Let go! Greg, what happened? What happened? Ayla, you want to try it? You want to try it? You want to try it? Greg, what happened?
Still owes me $11.
Greg, what happened with that mower? Nathan, Gregory, what happened with the mower? What happened with the mower, Greg? Does it go fast? Greg, does it go fast?
I'm looking.
Ayla's laughing at it. Was laughing hard. Was that fast, Gregory?